Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we have solved exercise number 1.6 and our first chapter is complete. Now we will start second unit, and the second unit is real and complex numbers. In this chapter, we will learn about what is real number and what are the complex numbers. Okay, so we will start from the natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? So the natural numbers, the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, which we use for counting certain objects are known as natural numbers, and it is denoted by the n. The natural numbers set is denoted by n. Okay, here I want to tell you something that if you write this n, then for example if you write this n, here you should explain what is n, and you will write the set of natural numbers. Okay, but if you want to tell about natural numbers, just use this sign. This is used for the natural numbers. Here is no need to describe the set. This n is describing the set, that this is the set of natural numbers. Okay, now what is the natural numbers? The number which we use for counting certain objects. For example, if we want to count something, we count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So the natural numbers are used for the counting. Okay, the natural numbers set is denoted by n. N is equals to the set of natural numbers, and it is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. It is start from the 1. Okay, now we will learn about the whole numbers. What is the whole numbers? If we include 0 in the set of natural numbers, the resulting set is the set of whole numbers. And it is denoted by W. Okay, so what is W? Whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we can say that 0 union natural numbers is equal to the whole numbers. Okay, if we include 0 in the set of natural numbers, the resulting set is the set of whole numbers. First of all, we know that what is the natural numbers. Natural numbers are the set which we use for counting. So if we include 0 with the natural numbers, then the whole number set is the getting. Now what are integers? The set of integers consists of positive integers, zero, and negative integers. And is denoted by z. So the set of integers is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and so on. The set of integers consists of positive integers, 0, and negative integers is said to be integers. It means the set of non-negative integers and the positive integers, the set of non-negative integers and negative integers is known as the set of integers. Okay, positive numbers and non-negative numbers are the integers set. Now set of real numbers. First we recall about the rational and irrational numbers. What are the rational numbers? To learn about the real numbers, we should know that what are the rational numbers. So the number of the form P over Q, where P and Q is not equal to 0, and P and Q are integers, are called the rational numbers. And rational numbers are denoted by R, denoted by Q. So the set of rational numbers is equal to P over Q, such that P and Q belongs to set of integers and Q is not equal to 0. And the last thing is P and Q equals to the 1. What does it mean? It means that the GCD of P and Q should be 1. It means that P and Q should be the relatively prime. So the numbers of the form P over Q, where P and Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers, are called the rational numbers, and the rational numbers are denoted by the q. So the rational numbers are the numbers which are where p and q, the rational numbers are written in the form of p over q, where p and q belongs to set of integers and q is not equal to 0, and p and q should be the relatively prime. We learned about some the definitions. Now we will learn the next definitions in our next video. Allah Hafiz.